If I sing you a love song, you hear it forever. To remind you how much I care and how I needed you. Love songs last longer than love